Hello, my dear friends. In a process of selling AC wind kit, there are always some questions that buyers desperately need. For example, because our couplers are universal and have two options. One is 5.1 inches, and the other is 5.9 inches. First of all, if your AC hose like this, the diameter of the hose is about 13 cm or 5.1 inches. You choose this one. The opening is a bit over. On the contrary, if your AC hose like this, the diameter of the hose is about 15 cm or 5.9, more than 13 cm. So you choose the round large size, which is 5.9 inches. Hope this video can help you.